Good morning students. Welcome in computer class of 7th standard and we are doing chapter number 9 using lists, images and links. So in our previous class we have learnt about lists, unordered and ordered list and the type attribute. Now students, in this class we will learn about nested list, definition list and marquee tag. So let's start with the first key term, nested list. A list created within a list is called nested list. This means that one set of elements can be embedded within another set of elements. Means you can create a sublist. You can understand this concept with the help of example. Let's see the practical of nested list. Open the notepad window and type HTML tag, head tag, title tag. Under title, I have given title displaying nested list and then close title, close head part. Now start the body tag. Under body, I have given one attribute, that is BG color. BG color means background color. Background color I have given peach puff. Now after that I am going to start one ordered list. For that I will use OL. It will show the list with the numbers. And under ordered list I am going to start LI. Here I will give the heading input devices. Now under OL list, now I am going to create one sub list, that is UL. UL means unordered list. It will show the list with bullets. Now type the list here, LI, type the input devices, keyboard, again LI, any input devices, next mouse, again LI, and give the next one, scanner. Now here I am going to close the unordered list and now I'll continue with this ordered list. Next is type LI and now write down output devices. In the next line again start unordered list and here start the list and give the output devices name like monitor, again LI, and then printer, again LI, then plotter, and now close unordered list and at the last close ordered list. Now save your program using Ctrl S. Shortcut key is this, and otherwise you can save your program from the file option. Now I am going to press Ctrl S from the keyboard. Now on the screen you can see this is web page. This is my page. Double click on it. Now students, here you can see the output. Here I have created one ordered list. You can see ordered list with the numbers, and after that under ordered list I have created one sub list that is called unordered list. This is list with bullets. This is unordered list. So this is a nested list. Nested list means if you want to create a list within a list. Now next is definition list. This list is used to outline multiple terms and their descriptions one after the other, as in the grocery or other name value lists. It means, suppose you want to write your data, your heading part separately, rest of the text, then we will use definition list. Like now we are doing defines and terms on copies, and every time we are writing our term separately from the define. So definition list is used to write the data separately from rest of the text. It starts and ends with DL tag, and after that it will close with the /DL tag. There are two more terms, DT and DD. These two tags we will use under DL. DT means helps in defining the term, which heading you want to show separately. For that we will use DT, and DD tag is used to show the rest of the text. Here DL stands for definition list, DT stands for definition term, and DD stands for data definition. Now students, here I am going to create definition list. For that, first of all start DL tag, definition list. Under definition, firstly we will give heading, means we will give the term. Then for that we will use DT. Here you will write term, like I am going to write computer, and then close this DT using /. After that press enter. Now rest of the text you will write under DD. Here you will write the define of the computer. Computer is an electronic machine, and then close your DD using /. Enter. At the last you have to close DL, which we have started earlier, and now close it using /. Control S, save your work, and after that see your result. Now double click on it. Now here on the output screen you can see computer is the heading part. So, and this one is the rest of the data. So this is using with the DL. With the help of DL definition list, you can show the data separately. Next is Marquee Tag. Marquee Tag helps in displaying the scrolling text on the web page. If you want to move your text on the web page, then you can use Marquee Tag. There are some attributes of Marquee Tag. Number 1, behavior. Next, BG color, H space, V space, direction, loop, width and height. Now let's see the practical of Marquee Tag and its attributes. Open your notepad window, and after body tag you will start the Marquee Tag with angular bracket. Write down Marquee and then close angular bracket. Here write down the text which you want to move on the web page. Like I want to move my first web page. Now close the Marquee Tag with /. And now see the output. First of all save it. Press Ctrl S from your keyboard. Now open your HTML page. Here I have created web page. Double click on it. Now you can see the text is moving from right to left. By default it's moving direction right to left, and you can change it under direction attribute. Now students, if you want to change the moving direction of the text, then you can use direction attribute under marquee tag. This is a marquee. Click here, type press spacebar key and write down attribute direction is equal to which direction you want. If you want to move to the right side, then you will write right, and if you want to move left side, then you will write left. Suppose I want to move my text to right side, so here I will write right in double quotes. Now you can give the background color of your text. Write down BG color is equal to any color you will write under quotes, double quotes, red. Now save your work. See the output side by side. Now students, you can see the direction of the text. Now the direction text is moving on the right side, and you can also see the background color. If you want to increase the height and width of the marquee text, you can do it using height and width attribute. Let's do it. Now here I am going to write height. If you want to increase the height of the text, marquee text, write down 50 under double quotes, and you can also change the width. Now press Ctrl+S and see the output. Refresh it. Now you can see height and width according to your need. Now next is, now students, if you want to give the margin, then you can use @space. It sets the horizontally space to the left and the right of the marquee. Here I am going to set, write down H space is equal to 50 in double quotes, and you can also give the V space, that is vertical space. I'm going to give V space. V space is equal to, I will give 50 again under double quotes. Now press Ctrl+S. Now see the output on your screen. Refresh it. Now you can see margin from the top and margin from the left side. It is called H space and V space. Now here I will use one more attribute, behavior. behavior is equal to, here I will give the behavior alternate, alternate in double quotes. With the help of this attribute, you can scroll your text according to your need. If here I will write alter, then you can see the output. Press Ctrl+S from your keyboard. Refresh it. Now you can see the output. Text is scrolled like this. Now you can change the behavior also. For the behaviors, we are having three values: scroll, side, alternate. Alternate we have given. Now you can see with the slide option. Ctrl+S. Now refresh your network, refresh your web page. Now you can see the scroll of your text is like this. At the end, text will stop. Now next option is, here in the place of slide, you can write scroll. Now Ctrl+S. See your output, refresh. Now text is scrolling from left to right like this. Clear? So these are the attributes of marquee tag. So this is all about of today's class. Here we have learned about the nested list, definition list and marquee tag. So students, do practice of these things at home on your computers. Thank you.